Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your charging problem. If your charging is not happening in your Realme smartphone, how you can fix these issues. So before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, so let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on apps, click on app management, then show system apps. Here you have to write first system. You have to fix and clear cache this, so if there is minor bugs, so it will fix it. Then you have to click on this Google Play services, click on Google Play service, now storage, and clear cache this. Then simply press back. And friends, you have to check your data cable or charging cable. If it is broken from inside and adapter is not working, you have to charge with another smartphone. So if it is working, then there is a phone fault, so you can check your phone port also. If it is broken from inside or something is there, it's something like dust, so you can just remove it via cloth or a toothbrush. So this is how you can do, and you can just restart your device. And if it is still not working, you have to go to your nearby service center, so they will fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.